Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. If you're thinking about starting a career in HVAC but don't know where to begin, this video is for you. Many beginners jump straight into repairing air conditioners without understanding the basic principles of HVAC. However, every successful HVAC technician starts by learning the fundamentals. In this video, we'll explain what HVAC is, what you should learn first, the essential skills every beginner needs, the basic tools you'll use, and how you can build a successful career in the HVAC industry. What is HVAC? HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Heating systems keep buildings warm during cold weather. Ventilation supplies fresh air while removing stale air and indoor contaminants. And air conditioning removes heat and humidity to create a comfortable indoor environment. Today, HVAC systems are used in homes, offices, hospitals, hotels, shopping malls, factories, airports, schools, and data centers. As buildings continue to grow, the demand for skilled HVAC technicians also continues to increase. How does an air conditioning system work? Before learning repairs or troubleshooting, every beginner should understand the basic refrigeration cycle. A standard air conditioning system does not create cold air. Instead, it removes heat from inside a building and releases it outside. This process is completed by four major refrigeration components: compressor, condenser, expansion device, and evaporator. The refrigerant continuously circulates through these components, absorbing indoor heat in the evaporator and rejecting that heat outdoors through the condenser. Understanding this refrigeration cycle is one of the most important steps in learning HVAC. Essential HVAC topics every beginner should learn. Every beginner should focus on understanding the core concepts before moving to advanced topics. Start by learning the refrigeration cycle, refrigerant flow, pressure and temperature relationships, heat transfer, airflow, superheat, subcooling, electrical basics, refrigeration components, HVAC safety, and preventive maintenance. Once these concepts become clear, troubleshooting and system diagnosis become much easier. Basic HVAC components you should know. Every HVAC technician should recognize the major system components. These include the compressor, condenser coil, evaporator coil, expansion device, indoor blower, outdoor fan motor, contactor, capacitor, thermostat, pressure switches, filters, and refrigerant piping. Understanding the function of each component helps technicians diagnose problems more accurately instead of replacing parts by guesswork. Basic tools every beginner needs. HVAC technicians use specialized tools during installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Some of the most common tools include a digital multimeter, clamp meter, manifold gauge set, vacuum pump, refrigerant charging scale, thermometer, leak detector, flaring tool, pipe cutter, fin comb, and torque wrench. Learning how to use these tools correctly is just as important as understanding the refrigeration cycle. Learn HVAC safety first. Safety should always be your first priority. HVAC technicians work with electricity, rotating equipment, pressurized refrigerants, and sometimes at heights. Always disconnect power before servicing equipment. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Use insulated tools when required. Follow safe refrigerant handling practices, and follow the equipment manufacturer's service instructions. Developing safe work habits early helps reduce the risk of accidents and equipment damage. Practice is the key to success. Reading books and watching videos will help you understand HVAC theory, but practical experience is equally important. Spend time identifying system components, observing refrigeration cycles, practicing electrical measurements safely, reading wiring diagrams, and learning proper maintenance procedures. The more systems you study and practice on, the more confident you will become. Career opportunities in HVAC. HVAC offers many career opportunities around the world. You can work as an AC technician, refrigeration technician, maintenance technician, chiller technician, VRF technician, HVAC installer, commissioning technician, facility maintenance engineer, or commercial HVAC technician. Experienced technicians may also move into supervision, project management, technical sales, training, or start their own HVAC business. Common mistakes beginners should avoid. Many beginners try to solve every problem by adding refrigerant or replacing parts without proper diagnosis. A professional HVAC technician should always inspect the system carefully, verify airflow, measure pressures and temperatures where appropriate, follow manufacturer procedures, and identify the actual cause before performing repairs. Good diagnosis saves time, reduces unnecessary costs, and improves customer satisfaction. Why HVAC is a great career. The HVAC industry continues to grow because buildings will always need heating, ventilation, and cooling. As technology advances, technicians who continue learning new systems, modern refrigerants, inverter technology, VRF systems, and energy-efficient equipment will have more career opportunities and better earning potential. Continuous learning is one of the keys to long-term success in HVAC. Starting a career in HVAC may seem challenging at first, but every professional technician began as a beginner. Learn the fundamentals, understand the refrigeration cycle, study system components, practice using HVAC tools safely, and continue improving your knowledge through practical experience. With patience, continuous learning, and hands-on practice, you can build a successful career in the HVAC industry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.